In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to switch your Facebook business page URL from the random one that Facebook generates, something like this, to one that closely matches your business page or your business name so that it's easier to remember and easier to share with people. First, you're going to go to your business page. Then on the left-hand menu, you're going to click on Settings. Then you're going to scroll down to Page Setup. And then over here under Name, you're going to click on View. And then you can edit it under username. So over here, you can choose facebook.com/ and then put in your business name or whatever name you want to use to send people to your business page. You put in your name and Facebook says that it's not available. You may just have to get creative. So for admin tribes, I may put something like A tribes or admin tribe or admin T. Right? Just get creative with it. The idea is that you want something nice and short that's easy to remember and people can find you. Now, if you like this tutorial and you want to learn more and you have a small business that's local, you can visit us at admintribes.com and send us a text message or email us, connect with us, and we'll do our best to help you out.